Good morning everybody. Today we are going to discuss last topic of chapter adverb, position of adverbs and use of some adverbs. Some adverbs are used in the beginning of the sentence, some are used in the middle and some at the end of the sentence. There are certain rules that we follow while using adverbs, but there is no hard and fast rules to use it. Now the first rule is adverbs are usually used immediately before the adjectives and adverb they modify. For example, it's nearly complete. Here complete is adjective and nearly is adverb. So here adverb is used just before the adjective that it modifies. Other example, she did it fairly easily. Here fairly is adverb and it is used just before another adverb that is easily. But the adverb enough is always placed after the word which it modifies. For example, the room is big enough. Here adverb enough is used just after adjective big which it modifies. Another example, he is old enough to go to school. A cat is brave enough to catch a mouse. We cannot say a cat is enough brave. We should say a cat is brave enough. Now use of adverbs to and very. See the example, the box is very heavy, but Tom can lift it. Number 2, the box is too heavy, Bob can't lift it. Very and to do not have the same meaning. Sentence 1, very heavy means it is difficult but possible for Tom to lift the box. But in sentence 2, too heavy means it is impossible for Bob to lift it. We use to describe the negative effect. A car is too expensive to buy. It means the car is so expensive that we cannot buy. The coffee is too hot to drink. It means the coffee is so hot that we cannot drink. It means very implies simple meaning, but to gives negative effect. Now you can see hardly and hard both are adverb, but their meaning is different. For example, Rama works hardly. This sentence is wrong. Rama works hard. Hardly we can use in this way. Rama hardly works. It means Rama scarcely works. It means Rama is a lazy person. He hardly works. Now late and lately have different meaning. He came lately, wrong. He came late. Lately we can use in this way, have you seen her lately? Here lately means recently. Now next point is, the meaning of a sentence is sometimes altered, changed according to the position of the adverb in the sentence. For example, he often says he visits his father. Here, often is describing the verb says. He often says. Second sentence, he says he often visits his father. Here, often is describing the verb visit. He often visits. The word only requires special care. Note the different meaning given to the following sentences by placing only in different position. If only is used in different places in the sentence, its meaning is changed. For example, only he lent me a book. It means he and nobody else. Only he. Second sentence, he only lent me a book. It means he merely lent it. He did not give it away. He only lent me. Next, he lent only me a book. That means he lent only to me and to nobody else. And the last, he lent me only a book. It means he lent me a book and nothing more. This is all about adverbs. Thank you.